So when you've got major sleep issues, what you need to do is you need to understand what the major trauma is. So you've got sleeping issues. Well, you're in the right place to get answers to this right now. So I'm going to touch on low range sleeping issues, and I'm going to touch on high range sleeping issues. And what I mean by that, I mean people that, get some good night's sleep, but not all are good. And then I'm going to touch on people that just get no good night's sleep at all. Now, let's touch on the low end first. So if you're only getting some good nights of sleep, what you want to do is simply do these things. The first thing you want to do is start having a tea the night in the evening. And this tea is going to be valerian and passion flower tea. That's all it is. Have the tea at night, it'll help you sleep. Yeah. If that's not helping you sleep, then we drop in the next thing, which is turning your phone off, taking yourself away from technology an hour before you go to bed. Because what happens is technology keeps the brain activated, so when you go to sleep, you can't sleep because your brain's still ticking, right? So that's the second thing to do. So if you're having the tea and that's not working, get yourself off technology an hour before bed. If that's not working, you're going to have this magic drink. It is a mixture, so you want to have 1 teaspoon powder of ashwagandha powder and 1 teaspoon of shatavari powder. Mix them together with warm milk. Now that warm milk could be almond milk, oat milk, full cream milk, whatever milk you drink. And have that an hour before bed. Have those, that'll sort your issues with sleep out. So the 3 things again, the valerian and passion fruit flower tea, no technology an hour before bed, ashwagandha powder and shatavari powder in milk, drink an hour before bed. That is it. Now let's go to the extreme cases. The cases where you're getting 4 hours maximum night's sleep. You're taking sleep tablets and even getting to the point where they're not even working. In fact, I had a lady that I'd worked with recently that I treated that was like this. And the major thing that caused this was post-traumatic stress disorder. So when you've got major sleep issues, what you need to do is you need to understand what the major trauma is that is keeping you awake, that is having you feel scared to shut your eyes at night. And to do that, you want to go and see a skilled therapist like myself or one of my team to support you to move through that. Because those chronic sleep issues, those sleeping tablets will only help for a certain amount of time. However, they do have side effects on your physical body. And those sleep issues are going to still be there until you deal with the root cause and the trauma or traumas which have caused these sleep issues, which have caused you to not feel safe, to be scared, to not want to shut your eyes at night. You can contact myself or the team at www.uniquecommunity.com.au so then you can have support to deal with extreme sleep issues, or if you don't have the extreme sleep issues, try those 3 remedies that I provided you and see how they work for you. And if you've got the extreme sleep issues, try those 3 remedies. They'll support you. However, I guarantee they're not going to get you to where you want to be and get you the good night's sleep that you want consistently until you deal with the trauma. I'm your medically intuitive Michael J. Clark. Take care.